Welcome back to the channel. My name's Chad. I'm your Tall Tailor. Over the past few weeks, I've been working on a couple of projects that I'd love to show you guys. I haven't really been too consistent in busting out the camera and filming them step by step, unfortunately. However, I'm just gonna run through them quickly so you guys can see. First off, I did make a chest rig. Yeah, I also made a really cool, this one's in progress, so it's not finished, but a two-tone jacket. You can kind of see that there. I'm working on that one. And I made a couple of bags. Yeah, but what I really want to show you guys, something I'm really proud of, a piece that I made, are these super wide-legged, sort of crushed velour corduroy pants. Yeah. Now, originally I made these for a photo shoot. So I made clothes for a photo shoot before. Last year, my friend Cass was doing a project for a brand, and I made some clothes for that. It was actually a really cool experience. I never made something for a photo shoot before, and that being my first experience, worked really well. It was really fun, and I got to make some unique pieces that otherwise I probably wouldn't have been able to make. Because usually when I make customs for people, they're usually like in the box, but a lot of the stuff I made were kind of like outside the box, which I thought was pretty cool. And it was a nice test of some of the skills I learned how to sew. But anyway, so these were for a photo shoot as well too. And it kind of fell apart, but that's okay because I made some dope pants. Now, my inspiration for these trousers were the Issey Miyake pleated pants. You guys have probably seen them everywhere. They're all over Instagram. They're really nice and soft, and the pleats make them look it's like sort of like a really unique design. I'll throw some pictures up so you guys can see them. My friend Chris actually has a pair, so I got to see him in person, got to really feel the quality of the fabric and look how the pants draped and stuff like that. Really, really awesome pants. So that was my inspiration for these pants, but I kind of was all over the place when making them. So one of the things I took from the trousers were the shape, the general silhouette of the pants. So these pants are very wide, like the leg opening for these I think is 30 or 32 inches. So they're pretty big, and they're also very long as well. And if you notice, these pants are kind of like, I don't know what this material is called. I don't know if the camera's picking it up really well, but it's a like a corduroy, but it feels like crushed velvet. And there's a little bit of a shine to the fabric. You can probably see that, a little bit of a shine. And the fabric has a slight stretch to it, but it's also pretty thick. I don't know what the fabric's called, but it's kind of like a crushed velvet corduroy stretch. Anyway, so after I finished making the pants, they were just pretty much a black pair of pants. They didn't have pleats on them, obviously, but the corduroy gave an illusion of pleats, and that was good for me. But yeah, they needed something to make them stand out a little bit more. So on one leg, on the right leg, I think, is it the right leg? Yeah, on the right leg of the trousers, I inverted the fabric, so I used the wrong side of the fabric. I added these vertical lines all over the pants. My inspiration behind adding these little lines on the pants were, I guess, like DIYs in general. On Instagram and I guess TikTok, I see a lot of people modifying their clothing to make them look a little bit better. So I wanted to do that same exact thing to these pants, and I think it looks really cool how just one leg has it and not both legs, because when you wear these pants, they look like regular black pants until you go closer, and then you can see that there's a little bit of a design on one leg of the trousers. I think that's pretty much it, all I want to talk to about these pants. Also, the back has it too on both sides, and I added a little white belt loop on the middle because I think that's kind of cool. The sides have these adjusters so you can adjust between the waist size of the pants, and the front just has these pockets. I don't know what these pockets are called, but they're top stitched onto the front of the pants. They kind of look like little pouches. No back pockets, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think about these pants in the comments section below. When I get some pictures of them, I'll definitely post them on my Instagram at the Tall Tailor. I know I haven't really been super consistent with posting on Instagram. That's just because I haven't had time to take pictures of the stuff I made, but rest assured, pics coming soon. I'm currently working on a jacket. Super excited about that. The interior is gonna look really nice too. I can't wait to show you guys that. and just some other stuff here and there, other sample pieces. I'll probably just throw them on the YouTube channel or, you know, on my other social media. Again, thank you for watching. Bye.